welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have an unboxing. So you guys know I love subscription boxes personally. I feel like they're a great way to discover new products that you've never heard of, indie brands, any brand really. When you're new to green beauty or clean beauty, natural beauty, whatever you want to call it. If you're new and you're into this whole holistic beauty life, make sure to subscribe to my channel and join the family, because we're always talking about new ways of how to do this thing, because I feel like we're all on a journey together with learning what to do, how to do it the right way. I feel like none of us really know the right way, so we like to help each other out in the comments. So we are talking 3 subscription boxes today, and each one is a little different. They have different products. One is very, very, very unique, and I've never talked about it on my channel before, so this is going to be very exciting. And they all have really great products, and I was really excited to learn about new subscription boxes because I usually only talk about Petit Vour. Petit Vour is, I am going to be unboxing my last Petit Vour box. So I'm going to start with that because I know that you guys love Petit Vour and a lot of you are familiar with Petit Vour on my channel. Petit Vour, for those of you who are new, when you open up the Petit Vour boxes, this is what they look like. They're very small and compact. What I love about Petit Vour is they do a really, really good job with their packaging by keeping it eco-friendly, by making it as small as possible and just placing all the products. It's not like a box in a box. There's no bubble wrap. So the first product in here is from Angelou Naturals, and it's a body butter. I am probably just going to keep this in my purse and use it as a hand lotion. Also, there's some hair care in here. So I have tried this line before. It's the, I think it's Evolve Luxury Natural Hair Care, and it's their moisture shampoo. I really like their shampoo, especially if you have color treated hair or use a lot of heat tools. Also, their conditioner is in here. Now, this is a product I'm very familiar with, and it's awesome. It's the Aloe Vera bath oil. Now, this bath oil is a really, really good one, guys. It smells amazing. I actually got a chance to chat with the brand at Indie Beauty Expo the last time I was there, and I got to smell this there, and they gave me a sample, which I have used since then. It just smells so nice. It's just such a great scent. I love getting samples of these because it's a really nice treat if you just want to take a nice luxury bath and treat yourself. So love this. The next product that I got is a natural lip crayon, and it's made with all organic ingredients, I believe. So, avocado butter, castor oil, avocado oil, shea butter, orange oil. Here's the lip crayon. I got the shade Enduring, which is, I love the packaging. I love gold. So I'm opening up my lip crayon, and oh my god, guys, this is so pretty. Look at this. I'm going to swatch it on my hand so you guys can see. Oh, this is definitely really pretty, and I definitely would wear it like all the time. So it is going to go in my makeup capsule because it is super pretty. I probably wouldn't wear it like straight out of the tube, like really opaque like that. I'd probably just dot a little bit on my lips. So if I did it on my lips, let me just kind of blot it, it would look more like that. So moving on to the next box that I got, it's from Bombay and Cedar, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's a really big box, guys, and has a lot of product in it, lots of full-size products in it. When you open it, once again, no bubble wrap, no packing peanuts, all recyclable stuff. The first thing I spy is a snack. It's gluten-free and plant-based, and it's a birthday cake. I love birthday cake flavored things. It's called Rule Breaker. This looks so yummy. I'm actually gonna eat this after I film. So there is this gift box of teas. There's a sex tea, there's a hangover tea, there's a happy tea, and there's an energy tea. This box has my name just written all over it, and it's just labeled just like that. So it's gonna be sex tea, your hangover tea, your energy tea, and your happy tea. whatever you need. The hangover tea I'm really interested in because I didn't know there were teas that help with hangovers. And every time I drink wine lately, I just get a hangover. It could be 1 glass of wine. It could be 2 glasses of wine. And I'm like hungover. Like, hello 26, you know, it sucks. The next thing that's in here is from NCLA. And it's a little manicure kit. This is literally the, like, what is it called? The Secret, like, the Law of Attraction. Because I was saying to myself, I was like, I need a manicure kit. And here it is. So cute. Red, little, cute. This is exactly what I need because I recently got a bunch of cruelty-free nail care and I want to start doing my nails myself. So this is a really cute and compact set and I love this. I love essential oils. I love using them in my beauty products. I also love using them in my diffusers that I have throughout my apartment. So I got clove leaf, which is antifungal, which is really nice probably for breakouts. Also around that time of year when you get sick, probably pop it in the diffuser if you're getting like a cold or something. Also, blood orange is stimulating, probably a really nice scent to burn. Probably like a really nice scent to put in the bathroom like in the morning to wake you up. That and the happy tea, they got me ready for the morning. So the next thing that's in here is this tonic cleanser. Ooh, dragon's blood and lavender. Dragon's blood. Yeah. So this is a really nice cleanser. I love the packaging. It's in glass packaging. It looks like a regular cleanser, but it's actually a gentle foaming cleanser. I'm very interested in the dragon's blood thing. Like, what is dragon's blood? So this is the packaging to show you guys. I'm trying to find a way. Oh my god, are we going old school YouTube? I'll show them the cutaways. Anyway, so it's this really beautiful frosted glass that it comes in, and it's for normal to oily skin. Lavender is a really great antibacterial ingredient, so it's really good for breakouts, things like that. Also calming, so I love products that have that ingredient. But dragon's blood, I know nothing about, so let's see. Oh, the dragon's blood tree sap, which helps loosen and cleanse built up impurities such as dirt and pollutants. So this is probably really good if you live in a major city with tons of pollutants, like LA. We've got the smog. I live downtown LA, so there's a lot of pollutants in the air. So these cleansers are really good for cleansing stuff like that. It's probably the buildup from your makeup every day and things of that nature. So I am gonna pop this in my cabinet and tell you guys my thoughts. And it's from the brand Zatique. Ooh, this box has so much stuff. Then there's this notebook that's in here and it's called The Next Big Thing. And it's from Doodlebook. And this is really cool. It's like a place where you can make your doodles. I'm probably gonna use this for video planning. So I'm excited for this. Let's see. It's got like the bullet journal pages, which I love because I can't draw and I can't draw a line to save my life. So I need these little dots. Anyway, it has like a nice quote on the top, probably to get you motivated and in the mood to create something great. So I am gonna start using this ASAP because I love journals and I always like getting them. And the last product in here is from this brand called Chakra Love. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love whatever's in here. And it is this one of those essential oil necklaces? I think it is. Very pretty. Oh, there's one last product I forgot to show you guys. So this product is from Sahara Rose and it's the Sublime Replenishing Milk. This product is, let's see, ooh, it has rose in it. And it says that it repairs, firms, and tones. So it's a moisturizer and it has really nice ingredients in it. Rose is the second ingredient. It's got sweet almond oil, sunflower seed oil, prickly pear seed oil, geranium, lavender. It has a lot of nice ingredients. I can't wait to try this out. I am gonna pop it in my bathroom as well and try it out with my new cleanser. And these are both full-size products, guys. Amazing. What's next? I'm still excited about that hangover tea. I'm not even drunk, but I'm just excited about it. So the last, but surely, I can't even say surely. That's how excited I am. The last, but surely not the least, is my personal favorite out of all three that I have received, because this box is so unique and it's so me, because everything in this box contains high quality rose oil that is consciously sourced from some of the best suppliers in the world. So, very me, because the box is all about rose products. So, I'm in heaven right now. And it's called RosePost. And I'm going to show you guys what's in the box. I'm not going to ramble on and on. The box is awesome. There's a little note in there for me and a pretty picture. I'm going to open it up. And if you love a product, they actually give you a 40% off coupon, which is always nice, especially for my girls who are new to green beauty, clean beauty, and you aren't sure of what products you like. And I know that it can be expensive because, you know, it's expensive. Green beauty can be pricey. So if there's discounts, always happy. So when you open up the box, once again, no bubble wrap. Everything is 100% recyclable. There's actually really pretty like dried flowers in the packaging. How beautiful. Now the first thing that you see is from the brand Steel Birch, and it's their Moroccan Rose White Grapefruit Hand and Body Salt Scrub, which I'm probably going to use on a spa night because why not? I love the ingredient of rose, but I even love the scent more. I love the scent too. I just find it very calming, and it just is definitely a mood stimulant for me. I think that's why I love it so much. It smells like kind of like a regular salt scrub. I can't really smell the rose, but I'm sure the ingredient is in there. It's 100% natural, and it has rose essential oil, pink Himalayan salt. It's probably not too extreme because it's just a scrub. Oh my gosh! How cool! I got the Sahara Rose Luminous Clarifying Cleanser in this. So now I have two products from the line. That is so cool. So now I have the Sahara Rose Sublime Replenishing Milk and the cleanser. I've actually never heard of this brand, and I think it's so cool that now I can try both. And they both have rose oil in them. I'm probably gonna like this. It's probably a very gentle product. Definitely know that it's a gentle cleanser because it has aloe leaf juice in it, and I love things that have an aloe leaf juice base because they're always super gentle and very gentle on the skin, especially if you have sensitive skin or you're blemish prone. I'm blemish prone. I'm not sensitive, but I would say that I'm a little bit sensitive because I do break out easily. So that kind of falls along the lines of sensitive for me. So I do love cleansers that have an aloe leaf juice base. And this one does, and it also has rose oil in it, which is amazing. So I'm going to try these two out. I've never tried this brand before. If you guys want me to do a review on it or tell you guys what I think about it on Instagram stories or whatever, definitely tell me in the comments below. Also, if you love rose essential oil, roses, rose water, write in the comments below what are your favorite beauty rituals with the ingredient of rose, because I would love to know, because I'm always looking for new ways to use the ingredient because it's amazing. Next is the last product that I got, and it's these organic rose drops. Rose Essence Beauty Drink. Oh, it's actually a drink. Ooh. Okay, so they're drops that you put into your water, so you can actually drink them. So I will be drinking this every morning because this is amazing. I have had rose drinks, but I'm not too sure about the benefits of drinking rose water. So I'm going to sit and just kind of read up on what it does. So let's see. Okay, Rose Essence Beauty Drink. Nourishes your skin from within, 100% organic, promotes skin hydration for a gorgeously glowing complexion and plump skin for a youthful radiant appearance. The aroma helps to soothe and relax. So this is very good for kind of like upping your hydration and replenishing your skin. Just like, it smells like rose water, basically. One of my favorite scents. So adding this to your water kind of helps give you that glowy, radiant complexion. This comes in handy definitely in the fall and winter months because that's when our skin tends to dull out a little bit. So I am excited to see if I feel like a little more hydrated from this. I suggest, for me as an oily skin girl, when I see a product like this, I think of it as almost kind of helping to hydrate from the inside out so that my skin's not producing excess sebum in collaboration with my moisturizer. So the more hydration that you can get without slathering on a ton of products when you're oily, the better. I'm very excited to try a product like this, like a rose water supplement, because I have never actually used these beauty drops in a drink before, and I have seen them and I do know people who use them. So I'm very excited to try these out on my own. And I love the fact that it's 100% organic, because that's how you know that organic roses, that no pesticides were used in the process of growing them, and they are clean. That is all that was in my box. I must say, out of everything I received, I am super pumped about the essential oils because I've never tried either essential oil. I'm excited for the lip product, the hangover tea, the happy tea, the energy tea, all the new awesome skincare that I got. Also, this rose water, everything. I'm very excited, very happy. I love doing unboxings like these because I love learning about new products and I love sharing my experience with you guys, and I love hearing your thoughts. So that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means the world to me. I love you guys and I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Bye guys.